caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the...
What is up, everybody? I hope you guys are having a great time. I hope you had a good Christmas. Happy New Year to everybody, because this video will be coming out after New Year's. But just wanted to share this little video with you. We are staying at the Founders Inn for their New Year's Eve 007 gala. We just got a room. It was a big old package. It's like $600. It came with like dinner, party, drink tickets, all kinds of stuff, and an overnight stay. So we've never actually stayed here before. We are staying here for the first time at the James River Lodge. We're staying in a king fireplace suite. So I thought I'd do a little bit of room tour, show you guys the room, and show you guys what to expect in case you guys ever want to check it out. So I'm going to start over here, go into the bathroom, do the regular stuff. So let's go. All right, here we go. So of course, this is the front entrance. When you come in, there's the bathroom. We're going to head on in here. There we go. Here we go. It's pretty nice. Sort of classy, basic. It does have a nice shower though. I do love these walk-in showers. Little stool there. And it's got a little, you can take that off. It's hand washers. We got some shampoo and shower gel. But yeah, I like this shower. I really like showers like this. Big mirror right there. Then you come over here and we've got a nice closet. There is a safe there, little luggage rack. It's actually a pretty nice size closet there. There's the iron and the ironing board, which is pretty standard. And then this little section here, it's another little sink. You got the sink here, so you got another sink here, right here, so you can do your makeup if you're trying to shower. And I don't know if this lights up. It does. There you go. So it does have a light up makeup mirror, and then a little switch there. Don't know how you want to do it. So we'll come in here into the bedroom. There is a bedroom there. This is the king bed. We've got the TV here, little desk for you to do, you know, office stuff on, and little view. It's not the best view right here. There are better views. If we could have got one on that side, we could have seen the gardens, but it's all good. Let's check this one. Again, not the best view, but there's a nice little couch. And it's pretty spacious, as you can see. It's very, very spacious. And the actual selling point of this room is this thing right here, is the fireplace. So if you look right back here, see a little switch on the wall. You flick it, boom. There you go. Fireplace is lit. Guessing that's how you control the gas right there. We won't be messing with it, of course, but some nice little art on the wall. Yeah, this is the room. This is room 3102. It is at the James River Lodge. There's several of these lodges here. We are right here by the exit, so it's kind of nice. We're literally right there by the exit. Parking lot's right there, but the front desk, all that other stuff is over here. So it's a little bit of a walk that way, but it's not too bad. So the room is nice. I'm not sure how the party's gonna go. We might do a little bit of a video on that. But this was just the room tour. So if you guys wanted to come here and check it out, let's see if there is a mini fridge. There is a mini fridge. Is it empty? It is empty. It's empty. Mini fridge. I got some coffees and stuff. And then some drawers. Of course, that's pretty standard. Couch, all that good stuff. So thermostat on the wall as well. But that's all I got for you guys. Nice, quick, short little video of the King Fireplace Suite here at the Founders Inn. So again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and always, trip it ain't easy. The show is fun.